What you need to know about the Social Security disability changes to the determination of your past relevant work at Step 5 that can make or break your Social Security disability claim. Hey, I'm Social Security disability attorney Nancy Cavey, and the Social Security Administration has announced a significant change to Step 4 of the 5-step sequential evaluation. Historically, the Social Security Administration at Step 4 has looked at your work history for the 15 years before you claim you're disabled. And what they're trying to do is determine what's the lightest and simplest job you held in that 15-year period of time, because the question is going to be whether or not you can go back to that particular job. Now, the Social Security Administration has announced that they're going to use a 5-year look-back period, and they've indicated that they're going to be looking at not how this job was described in the outdated Dictionary of Occupational Titles, but how you actually performed the job. As a result of this significant change, we are having our clients redo their work history form. Now, we've always tried to do a good job of developing the client's work history, but now we're really going to change our approach. The work history form asks questions about the physicality of your work, but doesn't really ask questions about the cognitive requirements or the social interaction that's engaged or required of these occupations. So what we want our clients to do now is to think about how they actually performed their work in the 15 years before, in the 5 years before they became disabled. You can see I'm having to adjust my thinking here. But what we want them to do is really talk about the physicality of their occupational duties. How long did they sit, stand, how far did they walk, what did they lift? Did they have to move equipment, pick up boxes, move boxes, load copy machines, stock? What kind of tools or machinery did they use? What kind of computer programming did they use? We really want to get a good description of what they actually did, not how it was performed in the national economy, and how they performed it for their particular employer. Now, there's a blank last page, and on that blank last page, we're going to ask our clients to address the cognitive duties and the interaction with the public. So let's say, for example, you might have been a manager at Lowe's. Now, that management position required you not only to be on your feet and getting up and down scaffolding, you probably also stocked. You also obviously did managerial duties, which required you to sit. So we want to make sure that we've documented all of those physical requirements, but cognitively we've documented the things that you have to do. Take care of stock, maybe hire people, discipline people, keep records, set schedules, and then also obviously you had to interact with your staff and the public. So please understand that the Step 4 whole process has changed, and you can lose your claim at Step 4, and if you lose your claim at Step 4, you don't even get to Step 5. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits and these significant changes in the work history forms and the way the Social Security is analyzing Step 4, give us a call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve.